consumer review. Let's unbox the Huawei Nova 7i. Inside the case, we can find the SIM ejector pin, the included free case, the Type-C USB cable, and the 40-watt supercharge adapter. Yes, that's right, 40 watts supercharge adapter, and the standard earphones. The Nova 7i comes in 3 colors: Sakura Pink, Midnight Black, and Crush Green. What we have here is the Sakura Pink variant. At the top, we have the noise cancelling mic. On the left, we have the SIM tray. On the right side of the phone, we have the power button and the volume rocker keys. Now the power button is also the fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, we have the 3.5 headphones jack, the Type-C port, the microphone, and the speaker grill. At the front, we have a 16 megapixel hole punch front camera. The Nova 7i comes with a 6.4-inch LCD display, Huawei's own Kirin 810 processor, 128GB of storage, expandable using Huawei's proprietary NM card up to 256GB. The phone also has 8GB of RAM for your multitasking needs. The phone also uses a 4200 mAh battery with 40 watts supercharging or fast charging support. During our time with the phone, we were able to get an average of 7 to 8 hours of screen on time on light to moderate usage. For those who are into gaming, the Nova 7i can handle graphics up until high. The Nova 7i comes with EMUI 10 or Android 10 out of the box. Even with just an LCD screen, the EMUI 10 allows users to toggle dark mode. The Nova 7i has 4 cameras at the back: the 48 megapixel main lens, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle, a 2 megapixel bokeh lens, and another 2 megapixel macro lens. So is the Huawei Nova 7i worth the price? For us, the answer is yes. Priced at $13,990, you can definitely get a lot for paying less.